Hey there, welcome to BrickBunchUSA, and today we're going to show you how to build a minifigure scale claw machine. In front of the camera are all the parts that you need to build one, so feel free to pause the video, go grab all the pieces, and run back. We're going to take our 4x4 plate, attach some 2x4s on top, turn it so we can stagger in a 2x4 plate, a 2x3 plate, a 1x1 plate, and a 1x2 plate. And on top of that, we're going to put our joystick so that people can control the claw. Then we're going to take our window, put it on there. Then we're going to build up the walls of our claw machine. So we're going to take some 1x4s and 1x2s, along with some 1x3s on this next layer. Make sure that these walls are strong so nobody can break in and steal all the stuff that you decide to put inside, whether it be candy or the latest in minifigure electronics. You want to make sure that people don't steal it. Alrighty, so we've got our walls built. Now we're going to take some yellow pieces, and these can be pretty much any color you like, the accent color, just so it matches whatever you want it to be. We're going to stick those on top. Then we're going to take some more and put them in the opposite direction. Now for this layer, we're going to stick a 1x1 right here and leave a space open, and then we're going to set this aside and build our claw. Now what we need to do is take one headlight brick and a 1x1 plate and attach them together, and then take another headlight brick and a 1x1 cylinder tile, stick those together, then just a 1x1 cylinder, and then your claw itself, which happens to be the base of a flower. Then we're going to take your claw machine and just slide this assembly right down in it so you can see the claw. Now we're not quite done. We still have the tiles to put on top, but before we put those on, we need to actually fill the machine up. So I have a whole bunch of different 1x1 cylinders, and we're just going to drop all of those in the top so people have some prizes to win. And then we'll stick our top on so people cannot see the claw movement mechanism. And there you have it. That's how to build a simple minifigure scale claw machine. Thank you for watching BrickBunchUSA. Thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you next time.